Google just dropped a wave of new AI features, and honestly, they're so powerful that they could wipe out hundreds of startups overnight. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what changed, how you can use these tools, and the new opportunities they unlock. Let's start with the first major update. AI Studio just got a massive upgrade for building apps. If you check out the latest release notes, you'll notice right away there's a completely new UI, but that's just the surface. You can now build multiplayer, real-time apps, and games connect to live data sources. Create persistent apps that keep running even if you close the tab and design with production-level UI. But here's where it gets crazy. You can literally describe an app, and it builds it for you. For example, I can say, I want an app where users upload a room and get AI-generated interior designs, add image generation, connect APIs, choose a model and click build. That's it. AI Studio handles the rest. It plans the product, designs the UI, and generates a working version of your app. Now, personally, I don't always use this to build full apps. My favorite workflow, I use it to quickly prototype features, download the code, and plug it into my main projects. It's insanely fast for building them, especially if you're working with Google's ecosystem. Now, let's move to the second update, and this one is Wild Google Stitch. This tool would just evolve from a simple chat interface into a full AI-powered design canvas. Here's what's new. AI native canvas, smarter design agents, voice input, instant prototypes, full design systems. You can even paste in a website URL and redesign it instantly. Let me show you how powerful this is. I'll type, design a landing page for an interior design app called Visionary Spaces. Within seconds. Creates a brand system, generates UI layouts, builds responsive designs, and even lets you preview everything live. You can edit anything with simple prompts, generate variations, export prototypes, or even share via QR code. This is basically replacing entire UI UX work. Now, quick tip, this isn't a Google feature, but it's something you should absolutely use, a prompt optimizer. Instead of writing basic prompts, you can transform them into highly detailed, structured prompts that get dramatically better results. For example, a simple prompt might give you decent output, but an optimized version, it can 10x the quality instantly. If you're using AI regularly, this is a next update. Notebook just got cinematic video generation. Before, you could generate summaries. Now, you can turn documents into full cinematic storytelling videos. We're talking visual scenes, narration, structured storytelling. It takes longer to generate, but the output is significantly more engaging. This opens up new use cases like educational content, social media videos, team presentations. And finally, one of the most powerful updates, Gemini inside Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive. Now you can click Ask Gemini and do things like match writing styles from other documents. Copy formatting, automatically generate content using your past files, pull context from across your entire drive. For example, I can say, create a YouTube script in this format, then reference another document, and it will replicate my tone, my structure, my writing style perfectly. This is next level personalization. So to sum it up, Google just turned its AI ecosystem into a full app builder, a design studio, a content engine, and a personalized assistant across your entire workflow. And we're still early. If you're not using these tools yet, you're falling behind fast.